बाद ही किताब लॉन्च होगी ना भाई। आप, मैं बताता हूँ आपके सवाल कहाँ गड़बड़ जा रहे हैं। अक्सर ये देखा गया है कि फिल्म के रिलीज होने के बाद जब वह लोकप्रिय हो जाती है फिल्म या चर्चित हो जाती है, उसके बाद उसके स्क्रीन प्ले की किताब छापी जाती है। ये क्या वजह है कि अभी फिल्म के रिलीज होने में कुछ और दिन हैं और आपकी किताब का विमोचन आज हो रहा है? ये है गुरु तुम्हारा सवाल, ठीक है, जो आपने पता नहीं पूछा ही नहीं। उसके जवाब मैं यही देना चाहूँगा कि इसका जो स्क्रीन प्ले है वो ख़ास इसलिए है कि अव्वल तो ये सच्ची घटनाओं पर आधारित कहानी है, ये फिल्म सच्ची घटनाओं पर आधारित है। दास जी अभी भी हमारे बीच जीवित हैं और इसके जो लेखक हैं सीपी सुरेंद्रन साहब और जो फिल्म मेकर हैं अनंत महादेवन जी, इन दोनों ने मिलकर मतलब कुछ 6 महीने का रिसर्च करने के बाद इन्होंने स्क्रीन प्ले लिखना शुरू किया साथ। तो स्क्रीन प्ले बहुत ही ख़ास, इसके जो डायलॉग्स भी हैं अंग्रेज़ी में है, तो ये पहला स्क्रीन प्ले है। तो इस स्क्रीन प्ले का स्तर इतना अच्छा है कि ये जो योडा प्रेस वाले जब इन्होंने फिल्म देखी दिल्ली में तो इनको इतना पसंद आया कि ये प्रस्ताव लेके गए सीपी सुरेंद्रन जी के पास और उनके पास कि वो उसको प्रकाशित करना चाहते हैं। तो ये इवेंट हुआ कि 14 तारीख को हमारी फिल्म का रिलीज़ है, तो उसके पहले जैसे हमारा म्यूज़िक रिलीज़ होता है, हमने मतलब इस बात का इंतज़ार अवसर नहीं है कि ये फिल्म चर्चित होगी तभी हम, समझ रहे हैं। तो ये ख़ास किताब है, इसका बॉक्स ऑफिस से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, इसका सारा लेना देना साहित्य से है, इसीलिए आज इसका विमोचन।
विनय सर, आपने भेजाफर में कॉमेडी किया है, जॉनी गद्दार में नेगेटिव रोल किया है, ये जो रोल है आपको लगता है कि सबसे चैलेंजिंग है, सबसे इफेक्टिव रोल और सबसे ज़्यादा दर्शकों को प्रभावित करेगा?
आई होप सो यार। मैं प्रभावित करेगा कि नहीं इसका तो मैं दावा नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन ये मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि इसे जब लोग देखने जाएंगे तो निराश नहीं लौटेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत ही मार्मिक और हृदय स्पर्शी कहानी है। और जहाँ तक मेरी कॉमेडी करने की बात है और नेगेटिव रोल करने की बात है, मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि मैं स्क्रिप्ट स्पेसिफिक अपना काम खोजता हूँ। तो स्क्रिप्ट में इतना एक्साइटमेंट था कि, और जब आपको पता चलेगी आपकी तस्वीर ऐसे किताब के ऊपर छपने वाली, तो आप भी करेंगे ना रोल, है ना।
फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग है, लेकिन कोई टारगेट ऑडियंस है इस फिल्म के लिए? क्योंकि
आप हैं टारगेट ऑडियंस, क्योंकि आप बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा हैं इस फिल्म में, मीडिया बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है इस फिल्म में। आम जनता है टारगेट ऑडियंस, क्योंकि आम जनता की कहानी है, एक आम आदमी की कहानी है। और हमारा समाज है टारगेट ऑडियंस, क्योंकि ये हमारे समाज की गति की कहानी है। हमारा सिस्टम है टारगेट ऑडियंस, क्योंकि ये हमारा सिस्टम, हमारी सरकार और जो हमारे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, जो हमारे और इस्टेब्लिशमेंट हैं, उनकी कहानी है। तो टारगेट तो मतलब सारे लोग हैं।
सर, कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा नहीं लगता कि बुक के वजह से कहानी जो है रिलीज़ हो जाएगी तो मतलब ऑडियंस में इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो जाएगा फिल्म को लेकर?
नहीं, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, क्योंकि आप स्क्रीन प्ले पढ़ेंगे, आप ऐसा थोड़ी है कि आप म्यूज़िक पहले रिलीज़ होती है और गाना बहुत बार सुन लिया तो आप फिल्म देखने नहीं जाते हैं, बल्कि वो आपको और ज़्यादा प्रेरित करती है जाके उस फिल्म को देखने। तो हमारा अंदेशा भी यही है कि स्क्रीन प्ले पढ़ने के बाद लोग फिल्म देखने जाएंगे, और ज़्यादा हमने गैप नहीं रखा है। बस आज इसका विमोचन हुआ है और 14 तारीख को हम रिलीज करेंगे।
सर, बहुत कम समय में किताब लिखी गई है, तो कहीं ना
कम समय में नहीं लिखी गई है भाई, 6 महीने लगे इसको किताब को लिखने में।
तो कहीं ना कहीं रिलीज के पहले लॉन्च करने की वजह मतलब
यही जो मैंने बताई,
हो सकता है।
आप सुन नहीं रहे थे, मैंने बताई।
मैं वही कहना चाहता था, बॉक्स ऑफिस से कहीं ना कहीं रिलेटेड हो सकता है।
नहीं, बॉक्स ऑफिस से रिलेटेड इसलिए नहीं, बॉक्स ऑफिस से रिलेटेड ये है कि दोनों फिल्म की कहानी है। ये किताब फिल्म से जुड़ी हुई है, और जो फिल्म का रिलीज़ है वो भी फिल्म से जुड़ी हुई है। लेकिन इसको पहले प्रकाशित करने का हमारा मकसद यही है कि चूँकि छोटी फिल्म है, हम ये बहुत बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म नहीं है, तो हम जितना भी संभव हो सके, जिस अलग अलग तरीक़ों से चाहें, हम दर्शकों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं, पाठकों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं। साहित्य की बात है और इस फिल्म को हम साहित्य का हिस्सा मानते हैं, इसीलिए साहित्य के प्रारूप में हम इसका।
मैंने सर जब आप शूट कर रहे थे फिल्म को, तो एक माइंडसेट हो जाता है, इस तरह का किरदार है तो उसमें तो वो चीज़ कितनी आपके लाइफ पे इफेक्ट कुछ पड़ा है?
आप कह रहे हैं कि मैं दास जी के जीवन से कितना प्रभावित होकर खुद डिप्रेस हुआ कि नहीं? नहीं हुआ मैं क्योंकि दास जी के साथ वक्त गुजारने के बाद और इस फिल्म के बाद ऐसा लगा कि हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम देखते नहीं हैं, हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों को नज़रअंदाज करते हैं और जिन चीज़ों को हम नज़रअंदाज करते हैं वो हैं बड़ी छोटी सी चीज़ें, सिंपल चीज़ें हैं, साधारण चीज़ें हैं, छोटी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन बहुत अहम हैं, वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। तो उनकी महत्ता समझने के लिए दास जी जैसी सिंप्लिसिटी होनी चाहिए और मतलब सिंप्लिसिटी का जो पावर होता है, जो साधारणता की शक्ति होती है, वो दास जी के सोबत में मुझे बहुत समझने को मिली और मैं अभी भी उनका बहुत कायल हूँ, उनकी सादगी का कायल हूँ और क्योंकि उनकी सादगी दिखावे की सादगी नहीं है, वो सचमुच ही अंदर से बहुत ही सादे इंसान है।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर, विनय सर, आपने बिहार से यूएस गए एमबीए करने के लिए, फिर एमबीए करने छोड़ के शायद आप फिर यहाँ आए बॉलीवुड में करियर बनाने के लिए, आपका स्ट्रगल कैसा रहा? वो तो दास जी का स्ट्रगल है 32 साल का, आप अपने स्ट्रगल के बारे में बताइए।
आप कह रहे हैं कि हम भी किताब लिखे हैं?
लिखे नहीं सर, आप अपने स्ट्रगल के बारे में बताइए कि आप
अच्छा था यार, मजा आया।
आपको कितना सारा स्ट्रगल पड़ा एज एन एक्टर बनने के लिए? सर कितना स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा ये बताइए।
अच्छा था।
तो एक बड़ा डिसीजन लिया था आपने सर अपने,
चौड़ा
बड़ा डिसीजन
चौड़ा भी था,
आम
हाँ।
तौर पे लेता नहीं है।
हाँ, मैंने ले लिया, उस समय पता नहीं क्या समझती। मैंने डिसीजन एक्चुअली मैं एमबीए छोड़कर मैं ड्रामा स्कूल मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया, वहाँ पे ड्रामा की पढ़ाई की मैंने। तो वो मतलब मेरा मन था, मन के आवेग में मैंने कर लिया, तो अभी इस बात का अफसोस नहीं करता हूँ मैं, आपको भी नहीं करना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
धन्यवाद। मेरा बुक
He sacrificed his entire education and his youth to fight against the British for India's freedom. And as a man, he unfortunately had to face the ignominy of having to fight for an identity as a freedom fighter for 30 years. Where did we go wrong? That's the question that this man has raised. And if we have gone wrong, would we go further wrong in trying to correct that wrong? And that is the answer that this man gives us in this film. I'm very happy to have the entire cast and crew of this film here. We're just waiting for one more actor, Ranveer Shori, to come, but we are aware that we are running short of time because we have to give the Audi back to the PVR complex. So let's begin. What we are about to see here is something that does bring a smile and a vain boast to all of us in this team. Perhaps for the first time in the history of Indian cinema, the screenplay of a film has been published as a book before the film's release. And for that, I have just two people to thank. One person who sparked it off, that is the author you see here, C.P. Surendran, who has scripted this screenplay, who actually got on a magician called Arpita Das of the Yoda Press. Yes, she actually deserves a round of applause because she's done something that has not happened in the history of publishing. I'm told that publishers need at least 8 months to get a book published. She achieved that in less than 8 weeks. I'm glad finally the producer of the film has made it here. So, before I go any further with this evening, I'd like to invite Arpita herself to come here on stage and tell us about the harrowing experience that she's had with us. Arpita.
Good evening, everyone. I don't know about harrowing, unreal maybe, because it was, I think we got in touch 6 weeks, 7 weeks ago, or
You can reduce
okay.
that to as many.
CP, I don't know where's CP. CP has disappeared. No, he's back there as usual. Yeah, vintage CP from what I know. So CP got in touch saying, "Do you want to publish a screenplay?" Told me a little bit about the film, and I thought it was fantastic. And I said, "When do you need it?" He said, "Independence Day." I said, "Forget it. You know, there's no way anyone can do that." And then I talked to Anant, and I don't know from where it. I mean, it went from not possible to okay, let's look into it. And the next thing that happened was that there was a screening in Delhi of the film, and of course I went to watch it, and it was a really, really emotional experience to watch the film. I also went in thinking it's a lot to do about the freedom struggle, and then I realized it's actually this one man's struggle, which was so unusual. And just as the film got over, and I think people were still drying their eyes, Anant took the mic and said, "I have the publisher here, and she's going to bring out the book in 5 weeks, and we're going to have the screenplay out, and I'm going to ask her to say a few words. At least today I'm prepared." And I took the mic, and literally there was no sound, you know, and I was, and I said, "Actually, I mean, I just can't say anything. I guess I'll bring it out." And that was it. And after that, you know, I suppose we were committed to it. But there's something, I mean, I really feel it is almost unreal for a publisher, and a publisher who's always, I mean, I run a small indie press. We're 10 years old, but we have really focused on bringing out books very carefully. And I am loath to rush through a project. So I kept thinking, what am I doing? 5 weeks. But the way it went, and it's largely because of this man, he's you know, you're great. You're a cool author as well, apart from a filmmaker. Anyway, so the book is out, and I'm going to go away because there are lots of very exciting people who are going to bring the book, the screenplay, the film alive in a very different way for you. And I hope you get hold of the screenplay, because film texts, particularly of such a political film, such a nuanced film, I think if we get used to looking at film texts, we will then have a much more nuanced discussion around cinema, and that will mean better cinema. Thank you.
Okay, let's not get into history. Tanishta, would you like to come up here? And Ranveer, right there on the dais, those are the two mics for you. Yes, here we go. I'll try and read the instructions. So Rajiv is in the back of a pickup truck laden with furniture. He sits on a stool, thoughtful, looking at the reflections of the city in the mirror on a wardrobe. It looks as though Rajiv is inside the mirror, looking at the world passing by. The truck turns into Anand Nagar Housing Society. Rajiv and Anita are setting up home. Curtains, carpet, lamps, etc. are being fixed. They talk throughout the routine.
I knew your marriage was in trouble, but I didn't think it would all be over so fast.
Ever been married to a feminist?
Not that I can remember.
Try it. Everything has to be politically correct. I toast 2 slices, she toasts 1.
If you ask me, you are to blame too.
Madam, I am always to blame.
Really? You could be more tolerant to others' views.
Others' views? That to women. If you ask me, feminists should be taxed. They add to the pain of existence.
Anita throws the curtain she is trying to fix, letting in the evening light in a flood, and the room is lit up like fire in the evening glow.
मेरी एंट्री होती है.
We have all 3 of them now. The interior of a restaurant. Das sits with his back to us on a chair. Rajiv and Anita face us at an angle to a window through which we can see a little bit of the Bombay skyline. Outside, life zips past at an uncaring speed. Above the sounds of the restless traffic and the waiters barking orders, we see Rajiv smoking letting out a puff, then stopping abruptly, stubbing out a cigarette, realizing that Das is choking. Impatiently, he knows only too well that Das and his battle are irrelevant in today's world, especially after his editor Mitra's lecture earlier in the day.
So, why should we believe you?
Das, without any change in expression, he is by now used to being seen as an imposter.
Long back, when I was a child, I did something good. An act bigger than myself. If you take that out from my life, I do not exist.
Freedom is good business now. Ever since the pension and perks were revised, the number of freedom fighters have shot up from 16,783 to 53,825. How do we know we are speaking the truth?
I am speaking the truth. But can you recognize it?
Jesus Christ said that first. And you know what they did that to him?
Das, without wasting another moment, takes out his file from his bag, carefully putting the copy of Midday aside.
I have all the relevant papers with me here in this file. And if anyone can prove these are not genuine, I am ready to go to jail again.
He hands the file over to Anita across the table. Anita going through the papers.
There are a lot of papers here. Any bureaucrat would be proud.
Das looks at her and suddenly notices the stud at the center of her lower lip.
Doesn't that hurt?
What?
She realizes what he means.
Oh, it's a stud. You get used to it.
Sure. We get used to anything, especially wives.
Anita glances at him, dismissing his skirt aside. Das addressing Anita with a sense of irony.
They want papers. I'm trying to give them as many as possible.
This file will take a long time.
I am used to that.
These are copies, I suppose?
Yes.
Rajiv sitting back and taking a good look, skeptical look at Das.
You do have the originals.
Das reflects on his past. And finally, one of my favorite scenes from the film
Mine too.
between Das and Rajiv. The interior of a restaurant, a bar at night. It's a dingy bar. An unfamiliar English number plays. The rotating colored lights hurt Das's eyes. He watches Rajiv get high. Das is clearly uncomfortable.
Good to see a Gandhian in a bar.
This is my first.
Rajiv raising his glass of whiskey.
You have enough of these. You stop worrying about freedom. Journalism, marriage. Why can't they make alcohol supply free? When you can't alter situations, just alter the mood.
I have never had a drink.
Rajiv swirling the stuff in his glass and watching the eyes drift and dodge the sides of the glass and lose shape.
You know what? Indians don't know how to make good whiskey either. The Brits make the best whiskey.
We have got to make the best of what we have, I guess.
How do I make the best of my editor whose purpose in life is to lead a 5-star life at someone else's expense, huh? The Taj is my birthright and I shall have it.
Well,
Rajiv is on a trip now.
Or my wife? She's a feminist. In bed, you've got to be politically correct. 3 strokes me, 3 strokes her. We must both climax at the same time. Otherwise, I'm a chauvinist pig.
Rajiv downs the drink and the waiter brings in one more and asks for another.
Now I'm happy. When were you last happy, Gandhian?
I really have to think about that one. We'd better go.
Just when I'm beginning to be happy.
Interior Rajiv's bedroom, late night. Das enters with Rajiv opening the door. The keys fall to the ground. A passing vehicle creates light patterns on the wall. Somehow Das hits the light switch. Das helps Rajiv, who's mumbling in protest, and struggles to help him to the sofa. He finally manages it. He removes Rajiv's sandals from his feet and fixes a pillow under his head. Rajiv holds Das's hand on the pillow.
Dasji, how do you go on fighting for so long?
Stopped fighting long ago. Just refusing to surrender.
My heartfelt condolences, Dasji.
I'm just too old to give up now.
Boss, you're a good man. You're my hero. Heroes don't give up.
Das pulling a sheet over Rajiv.
We have no hero left in our country. The last one was Gandhi. And you know what happened to him.
Bang.
No, we did worse. We put him on a note and bought ourselves the system.
Das sees that Rajiv has crashed out. He looks at him for a moment or two and leaves. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, CP. I hope your words came alive. Oh, you agree? Okay. All right, the moment of the evening. And for this moment, we are very, very proud to have amongst us the maestro himself, Dr. L. Subramaniam, the wonderful singer Kavita Krishnamurthy, and I think the surprise packet of this evening, a man whom we all look up to, a man whom we all consider a hero, a true life hero, a man whom we've saluted several times in our mind for his wonderful achievements. He's none other. May I call on stage the ex-Commissioner of Police, Mr. Julius Ribeiro. L. Subramaniam and Kavita Krishnamurthy to the podium here. I'd like that wonderful package. Arpita, have you forgotten the ring? We are about to announce the engagement. I'd like the rest of my cast and crew members here, please join us for this wonderful occasion.